The day began with central government continuing its argument that it was making yesterday. Attorney General for India Mr. K.K. Venugopal informed the court and argued that right to life has primacy over right to privacy, and also that excluding privacy as a fundamental right was a deliberate decision made by the constitution makers, and now this position should not be reversed. He also said that the previous cases in question of MP Sharma, Kharak Singh, all these cases have been correctly decided. For the state of Maharashtra, Mr. Arima Sundaram, senior advocate, also contended that there is no fundamental right to privacy, and privacy should not now be elevated to the status of fundamental right. Mr. Sundaram also told the court that there might be some aspects of privacy which can fall into the ambit of fundamental rights, but privacy as a whole should not be declared as a fundamental right. Mr. Sundaram also reiterated the arguments put forward by the Attorney General. He said that the inclusion of privacy as a fundamental right was discussed, deliberated during the Constituent Assembly, and after that it was decided that privacy should not be included as a fundamental right. He says that privacy is a word without an exactitude, without any specific meaning, and therefore the aim of the Constituent Assembly was to make fundamental rights as definite as possible, and that is why they decided to exclude privacy from the ambit of fundamental rights, and that position, he said, should not now be reversed. The arguments will now continue on Tuesday, where the government will again put forward its arguments on whether there is a fundamental right to privacy or not.